Analytica Superintelligence presents Kairon, the world's first medical superintelligence. In ancient Greece, Kairon was known as the wise centaur, a healer, mentor, and teacher of heroes. Today, his spirit lives on in Kairon Superintelligence, an intelligent, all-in-one clinical platform designed to empower modern healthcare heroes. Clinicians, doctors, lab technologists, and administrators. Healthcare has two main barriers: costs of diagnosis. Each year, diagnostic errors translate into millions of dollars in avoidable costs across hospitals and institutions, and lead directly to poor patient outcomes. Let's explore how the superintelligence is transforming care, from patient intake and mental health support to telemedicine, all through a seamless digital experience. In the next 60 seconds, you'll see how our platform revolutionizes healthcare management with AI-powered clinical decision support, not only solving the two biggest challenges in care delivery, but introducing a medical superbrain capable of diagnosing even the rarest diseases, including uncommon cancers, while ensuring timely referrals and streamlined workflows for maximum efficiency and returns on investments. Let's begin with clinical intake. With just a few clicks, patient information is captured accurately and effortlessly, eliminating paperwork and cutting check-in times dramatically. Our user-friendly interface is meant to complement doctors, clinicians, at the very core of the healthcare system. Our superintelligence analyzes patient symptoms and medical history to generate a differential diagnosis (DDX) report with up to 99% accuracy. Our API outperforms even the world's top physicians, delivering 4x higher diagnostic accuracy while operating at 20% lower cost. Built on advanced deep learning models trained on millions of real clinical cases, it continuously learns and adapts, ensuring faster, more reliable medical insights. This means hospitals, clinics, and telemedicine providers can deliver world-class care with unprecedented precision, speed, and affordability. Kairon is therefore the first intelligent user interface to place this superintelligent power directly in the hands of doctors and clinicians, enhancing rather than replacing their expertise. Check this out. Our integrated laboratory and imaging tabs make life so much easier for doctors. They can order tests and see results right in the patient's chart. We've got everything from cancer biopsies to basic tests like malaria. Super handy, right? You can easily print this data as physical files or share it directly with national healthcare systems. The dashboard enables superadmins to see what's going on from a bird's-eye view, helping agencies track emerging diseases to prioritize resources. It also is mobile-first to ensure low-resourced environments can use smartphones or simple tablets to access the system. Real-time updates mean faster diagnoses and quicker treatment decisions, significantly improving patient outcomes and clinic throughput. The billing module. It automates the entire process, from generating invoices to processing payments, drastically reducing administrative overhead and accelerating revenue cycles. This isn't just software, it's a smarter, more patient-centered and profitable way to run healthcare. Kairon empowers clinics of any size to deliver faster, more accurate, and more compassionate care, while improving operational efficiency. It scales effortlessly from a single community clinic to a nationwide referral network supporting tens of millions of patients every year with personalized high-quality care. Kairon is multi-user and multilingual, supporting 5 languages, and ready to integrate with major healthcare systems, including Kenya's SHA, the UK's NHS Digital, China's National Health Information Platform, and India's Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission for seamless, interoperable adoption. A creation of Analytica Superintelligence, unleashing the power of superintelligence.